Oh, the power's out.
Is it?
Hey everybody, this is Glenn here in the blizzard of 2013, and wow.
And Dash.
I don't know, some of the speeds out or...
Oh yeah, the electricity's out.
Windy out here, and I want to show you guys. I'm going to do a measurement right by my light post right there, and I want to show you. I'll tell you how much snow we have. We haven't got as much as other people have. It's surprising because they were calling for more, but the absolute storm didn't hit us yet.
Yeah, we're a little disappointed in that.
4 inches.
Wow, that's not much.
That's it? No. But they're saying that, you know, the worst of the storm isn't really here yet. We're getting a really high winds right now. But that's it. As you can see around, there's my dog Dash. Dash is over there. He's enjoying he loves the wet. He loves to go in the water and stuff. Just don't bother him at all. He's happy. He's playing around in the snow and yeah.
Try to get him in the light.
Really windy out.
Try to throw it for the light.
Power flipper a couple of times, and we haven't lost it yet, but I imagine this wind will probably lose it before the night's out, I would imagine. And so, you can really hear the wind out here. It's really howling.
He's waiting for
the wind's
more.
really blowing, so. All right, you guys, I'm going to get back in where it's nice and warm and get out of the cold here. See you guys later. I'll do another video in a while.